Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Susan here, and I'm back again with amazing new video. As you can see, I'm gonna show you how to make banana pancakes in a simple way, in an easy way, and this is the yummiest breakfast you will ever have. Try this recipe out guys, and stay tuned, watch till the end. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, join this amazing family, like my video, share, and let's do this. So guys, all you need for this video is the flour, and I used self-raising flour. You can use the normal flour with a pinch of baking powder. And so I went ahead and added some sugar and salt there. I measured 1 tablespoon of sugar and half tablespoon of salt. So mix everything together like so. Then go ahead and add milk bit by bit until you get that consistency. And I used 1 egg there. Add milk bit by bit as you mix everything together. Then after that, whisk until you get rid of all lumps. That's my mixture, and so I'm gonna use some cooking oil. You can melt some margarine and use it, it's allowed. And so I'm gonna go ahead and mix everything together like so. After you are done, go ahead and grease your pan with some cooking oil and start making your pancakes. So do so until you finish making all your pancakes. That's how your pancakes should look like. And yep, do that until you finish all your pancakes. I'm done making my pancakes, and you can see they're looking delicious, and so I'm gonna show you the next step. The ingredients that I'm gonna use in this step is a banana, some sugar, measured 1 teaspoon of sugar, and some water there. Add sugar and water in the same pan, then heat it up. Afterwards, go ahead and add the sliced bananas and give it a good toast. After I was done with all that guys, I went ahead and laid the toasted bananas onto my pancakes, and just like that, they were ready to be served. Guys, try this recipe out and tell me on the comment section what to think about this recipe, and watch my other pancake recipes on my videos. Just check them, you will find them there. I have so many recipes, go ahead and check them. This is the most yummiest breakfast you will ever have. Just try this at home and tell me on the comment section what you think about this recipe. Oh, it's so delicious. I really enjoyed this. Looking so good. Try this for your family, and they will surely be amazed with the results. This is so good. And just like that guys, our pancakes are ready to be served, and you can serve this with some hot chai, kahawa, some milk there. So I will highly recommend for you to try this recipe out, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Try this recipe out and tell me, and until my next video, I'll see you all very soon. Bye.